You just spoke on a panel at the Yale Private Equity Conference. In terms of a middle market aspect, what were some of the most interesting points that you thought were being talked about?
One of the things I thought was interesting was also fairly consistent with a recent report that Deloitte did, which is this focus upon uncertainty, that companies in the mid-market are really operating in a very uncertain economic environment. Whether it's the European sovereign debt crisis or some of the challenges in our own country around GDP growth, employment, et cetera, that as companies in this space try to compete, that they are in fact competing in a very uncertain environment, and as they make decisions, that concept of uncertainty is kind of coloring all the decisions that they make. That being said, I think that there was a general sense, and our research would support this, that companies in this space have done a fairly good job of navigating themselves through the economic crisis over the past couple of years, and by focusing upon deleveraging and balance sheet health, et cetera, and are increasingly focused upon productivity to enable them to compete in a very difficult economic environment.
Are you seeing any trends that are really prevalent for middle market companies going into 2012?
There's a couple of things. One, back to this concept of investing in technology. Technology is being emphasized over more than talent in regards to where am I going to invest right now. I'm going to invest in areas that allow me to increase productivity in the short term as I try to manage my way through a very uncertain economic environment. So I think that trend is clearly going to, looks like it's going to continue, absent some type of general economic upswing. I also think that companies in this space, as I mentioned before, they're still primarily U.S.-centric. Companies are starting to look at emerging markets, markets outside of U.S. borders as an opportunity to growth, particularly as customers, start to expand. Companies in this space are looking to migrate to other countries with their customers to drive, to look for growth opportunities.